Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tayari with Narsky. This is Gauri Mishra. We will discuss today's English current affair with static GK. So watch very carefully and do subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay. So let's start this. First news is the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has extended the term of Life Insurance Corporation Chairman M.R. Kumar till March 13, 2022. Kumar was appointed as LIC Chairman on March 13, 2019. Kumar has joined LIC in 1983 as a Director Recruit Officer. Recently, in the disinvestment plan, the center, which owns 100% of LIC, is looking for dismantle for up to 10% stake via IPO. So, all this information is related to this question. Now, about LIC. Life Insurance Corporation of India is an Indian government-owned insurance and investment corporation. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Founded of LIC 1st September 1956. Headquarter of LIC Mumbai. Parental organization of LIC Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Chairperson M.R. Kumar. Now let's talk about all the appointments that have been made recently. Confederation of Indian Industry TV Narendran, National Human Rights Commission Arun Kumar Mishra, Intelligence Bureau Arvind Kumar, Research and Analysis Wing Samant Goyal, Central Bureau of Investigation Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Chief Information Commissioner of India Sushil Chandra, Director General of National Investigation Agency Kuldeep Singh. Second news is the 31st edition of the third day India-Thailand Coordinated Patrol Carpet exercises started in the Andaman Sea. It is being conducted from 9 to 11 June 2021. Naval Offshore Patrol Vessel Indian Naval Ship INS Saryu is participating in India, and STMS Karvi is participating from Thailand Navy in Carpet. The Carpet exercise is being conducted between the two navies annually since 2005 along their international maritime boundary line. Now let's talk about some military exercise which are necessary for all competitive exam. दोस्तलिक सेकेंड जो एक्सरसाइज है हेल्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड उज्बेकिस्तान. युद्ध अभ्यास एक्सरसाइज हेल्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड यूएस. Desert Night 21 exercise held between Indian Air Force and French Air and Space Force. Mitra Shakti exercise held between India and Sri Lanka. Nomadic Elephant held between India and Mongolia. And hand in hand exercise held between India and China. Surya Kiran exercise held between India and Nepal. And Navy Indra exercise held between India and Russia. Now let's move on the next question. The Assam government has decided in its recent cabinet meeting to declare Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary as the 7th national park of the state. The newest national park, popularly known as Dehing Patkai Rainforest, has unique floral and faunal diversity. The area is home to hollow-given elephant, slow lories, tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, golden cat, fishing cat, marvel cat, sambar, hog deer, sloth deer, and several bird species, including the endangered state bird, the white-winged wood duck. The state now has the second highest number of national parks in the country. Madhya Pradesh and Andaman and Nicobar Island have 9 national parks in each. Information about Assam. Assam is a state in northern India known for its wildlife, archaeological sites and tea plantation. Capital of Assam Dispur. Chief Minister of Assam Hemant Biswa Sarma. Governor of Assam Jagdish Mukhi. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, डिब्रू साइखोवा नेशनल पार्क, मानस नेशनल पार्क, नामेरी नेशनल पार्क, राजीव गांधी औरांग नेशनल पार्क, गरम पानी नेशनल पार्क आर major national park in the Assam. Majuli is recognized as the largest river island in the world. It is located on the Brahmaputra river near Zorahat in Assam. Raimona National Park is the 6th national park of the state. Now Now let's move the next question. Yeah, next question is to the Zimbabwean novelist, filmmaker, and activist TCC Dongarembaga has been awarded the 21 PEN Printer Prize. जो नेम है ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, इसको आप अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. थिसिसी डेंगरमबग्गा. ओके. Award established in 2019, PEN Printer Prize is given in memory of Nobel laureate playwright Harold Pinter. Some important award and their recipient. Nature TTL Photography Award 2021 Thomas Vizian. India Biodiversity Award 2021 goes to Anam Sahaji. Whiteley Award 2021 goes to Y. Nakluform. UNESCO World Press Freedom Prize 2021 goes to Maria Ressa. World Innovator World Award 2021 Kirti Karathi. Nelson Mandela Award Humanitarian Award 2021 goes to Raman Sinha Sehgal. International Ranger Award 2021 goes to Mahendra Giri. 2021 World Food Prize goes to Shakuntala Harak Singh ji. Now let's move on the next question and last question. The government has extended the tenure of RBI Deputy Governor of Mukesh Kumar Jain for 2 years. Jain was appointed as Deputy Governor for 3 years in June 2018. Before joining the Reserve Bank of India, he was Managing Director of IDBI Bank. The other 3 serving Deputy Governors are Michael D. Patra, M. Rajeshwar Rao, and T. Ravi Shankar. Some important information about RBI. Established 1st April 1935 by Hilton Young Commission recommendation. Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 is the legislative act under the Reserve Bank of India was formed. The Reserve Bank of India was nationalized with effect from 1st January 1949. Headquarters of RBI Mumbai, Maharashtra. First Indian Governor of Reserve Bank Sir C.D. Deshmukh. 5th Governor of RBI Sri Shaktikant Das. So this was today's English current affair video. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, do subscribe, comment and share. If you want PDF to this video, then join our Telegram group. Get link from video description. If you want to listen the audio of current affairs, then you can join our Khavri platform. You will get a link from the description of the video. Okay, so don't forget, like, comment and share. Do follow and do subscribe. Then thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.